This is tajamuladil. Bone conductions are ideal for people with hearing loss and who do regularly exercise and walk outdoors. Today I'm talking about latest Runner Neo bone conduction headphone from Naenka, as they introduce wireless charging on them and they give you 10 hours of battery life. You will need to plug the USB-C cable into the power outlet, since the Runner Neo uses a wireless charging cradle as indicated by the Naenka logo on the charging cradle. Runner Neo never starts charging if you place it wrongly, because only one side of bone conduction has magnets. Although the headphones are powered by a USB type wired cable, the headphones are not physically connected to anything. As a result, there are no exposed contacts or electrodes which can become dirty or damaged. The Neo looks very similar to the Runner Pro, as I have already reviewed the Runner Pro and you can find the link here. And I choose the red pair, but you can also find the Runner Neo in grey and green color. Let's do an unboxing and see what's inside the box. It would be equally suitable for other activities such as cycling or walking, as the name shows it's suggested for the runners. In the new model, the frame is made from silicone coated titanium alloy that is very flexible and durable. There is a lot of flexibility in this, but it doesn't feel fragile. For maximum comfort, a piece of elastic is adjusted according to the size of your head in order to secure the headset to your head. The headphones are equipped with wireless charging, and Runner Neo is designed to enhance the sound without completely blocking out external noise. The main control buttons are located behind your right ear on the bottom of the side part of the headphones. It is difficult to operate the buttons while wearing gloves because they are very small. On the left side of the headphones is a button that can be used to pause and play videos, as well as to assist you in voice assistant mode with a double click. By pressing the plus and minus buttons on the headset, you can change the volume during playback, as well as skip forward and backward between songs. Alternatively, you can answer the phone calls by pressing the button rather than using the phone. Bone conduction headphones are pretty simple to wear and easy to use. The Runner Neo wasn't uncomfortable, it was just something you had to get used to. As I wore them both with glasses, the headphones are waterproof with an IPX6 rating, which means you can wear them in the rain without worrying about them getting sweaty. Compared to in-ear pods, bone conduction headphones let you hear the sound from surroundings. Naenka Runner Neo bone conduction headphone buying price is $109.99, and you can find the buying links in the video description. If you are interested in budget noise cancelling earphones, recently I have done the video on it, then click on this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in this video.